My name is Penpa Tsering.
Yo soy Penpa Tsering.
And I'm the democratically elected political leader of Tibet.
Y soy el líder electo democráticamente de Tíbet.
Serving under the leadership of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Sirviendo después del liderazgo de su santidad Dalai Lama. Please talk to us. Why are you here?
I travel around the world.
Yo viajo en todo el mundo.
To speak about the sufferings of my people in my country under the Communist Chinese government.
Para hablar del sufrimiento de mi pueblo bajo el yugo del comunismo chino.
The Communist Chinese dictatorship is striking at the very root of our identity.
La dictadura del comunismo chino está atacando las mismas raíces de nuestra identidad.
We have a very rich language which is more than 1,300 years old.
Tenemos un lenguaje riquísimo que tiene más de 1300 años de antigüedad.
Tibetans have been practicing Buddhism for the last more than 1,300 years.
Y los budistas tienen practicando el budismo hace más de 1300 años.
And we have a culture that has the potential to spread more peace in this world.
Tenemos una cultura que puede esparcir la paz en este mundo.
And Tibet as the roof of the world, the highest plateau and the biggest plateau on earth.
Y Tíbet, como el techo del mundo, siendo la meseta más alta que existe,
is not only important for Tibetans and Tibet, but for the whole region and for the whole world.
No solo es importante para los tibetanos y para Tíbet, sino para todo el mundo.
This is my second visit to Mexico.
Esta es mi segunda visita a México.
But this is my first visit to Tepic.
Y la primera a Tepic.
And I can see that there is very little awareness about China.
Veo que hay muy poco conocimiento sobre China.
And what China is doing around the world.
Y lo que está haciendo en el mundo.
Mexicans understand Canada, America, Latin America, but not Asia.
Los mexicanos entienden sobre Estados Unidos, Canadá, América Latina, pero no tanto sobre Asia.
We live in a very small, globalized world.
Vivimos en un mundo muy pequeño y globalizado.
And a very interdependent world.
Y un mundo interdependiente.
So anything that happens in one part of the world has its impact on the other parts of the world.
Entonces lo que sea que pase en una parte del mundo impacta en la otra.
And you have a lot of threat with China.
Y hay muchísimas amenazas de China.
But you are selling only 15-20 billions of US dollar to China, but you are importing about 140 to 150 billion. So you have a trade deficit of 115 billion US dollars with China.
Y exportan solamente 115,000 a 120,000 millones de dólares cuando importan alrededor de 140 a 150,000. Entonces hay un déficit comercial altísimo.
But I want to tell you, nothing comes for free from China.
Nada es gratis de China.
You don't have the freedom to speak your mind at the multilateral levels, multinational levels.
No tienen la libertad para hablar con libertad en los foros multilaterales.
Even in the United Nations, Mexico has to follow China's orders.
Inclusive en las Naciones Unidas, México sigue lo que dice China.
So I say you have already lost part of your sovereignty.
Entonces ya se ha perdido parte de esa soberanía.
¿Cuál sería su llamada a la comunidad internacional y en este caso al Estado mexicano?
What would you like for the international community and Mexican state to do? What's your call for them?
Mexico also has its history, a long history of suppression, of authoritarianism.
México también ha vivido bajo el yugo de la colonización, del autoritarismo, de la represión.
Today you have democracy.
Hoy ya hay democracia.
So democracy meaning human dignity, freedom for everybody.
Siendo la democracia la dignidad humana y libertad para todos.
But unfortunately, democracies are not able to come together.
Desafortunadamente las democracias no han podido organizarse.
So you must have seen Chinese President Xi, Russian Putin, Belarusian Lukashenko, North Korean Kim Jong-un, Iran, all the good guys coming together.
Seguro han visto que se reúnen Xi Jinping, Putin, Kim Jong-un, Lukashenko de Belarus, bueno, todos los chicos buenos del mundo.
But democracies are too divided by their interests.
Pero las democracias están muy divididas por sus intereses.
So whether we like it or not, at the present time,
entonces, aunque nos guste o no, en el momento actual,
the fight is between democracies, the free world, and dictatorship and authoritarianism.
Pues está ganando el autoritarismo.
So democracies have to stand with democracy if you value your freedom now and if you want your freedom in keep the freedom in future.
Si les gusta tener esta libertad y quieren mantenerla, tienen que unirse con otras democracias.
So it's not enough to understand only Mexico and the Western Hemisphere, but you have to understand the rest of the world, and particularly China.
No basta con entender a México y nuestra región, sino que hay que crecer y entender a Asia, entender al mundo, entender a China.
You have many communist and other authoritarian regimes around this world, and they want to spread authoritarianism in the world.
Ya hay muchos regímenes autoritarios que quieren esparcir estos regímenes en el mundo.
If you don't want authoritarianism in Mexico in future, then you have to support people who are suffering under authoritarian regime.
Entonces, si no queremos este autoritarismo en México, tenemos que respetar y tenemos que proteger a quienes están viviéndolo.
And also the fact that you have to understand China, because China is behind all the survival of all other authoritarian regimes.
Y entonces tenemos que entender a China, quien está detrás de todos estos regímenes autoritarios.
Including Maduro in the region or Cuba in the region.
Inclusive Venezuela o Cuba.
How is the relationship with the President Claudia Sheinbaum?
Unfortunately, there's too much pressure from China.
Desafortunadamente, China pone muchísima presión a la presidenta Sheinbaum.
So the president is not able to meet with us.
Y entonces no se pudo reunir con nosotros.
And the foreign ministry is not able to meet with us.
Tampoco el secretario de Relaciones Exteriores.
I don't understand why they are afraid of China.
No entiendo por qué le tienen tanto miedo a China.
If you don't stand up for the values that you enjoy,
si no se levantan por los valores que defienden,
China will never respect you.
China nunca los va a respetar.
¿Se sienten invisibilizados entonces?
Do you feel that you are maybe invisibilized? Do you feel that the Tibetan peoples is maybe invisibilized, or you yourself? Yes, like you're being invisible to others?
Invisible?
Ajá.
I'm not invisible. We are going visibly everywhere.
No somos invisibilizados. Estamos siendo visibles y vamos a todas partes.
I travel to so many different countries, from New Zealand to Japan to Australia to Europe to North America and now to Mexico.
Yo viajo a todos estos países, a Nueva Zelanda, Australia, Europa, Canadá, ahora México.
Spread awareness of what China is doing around the world.
Porque quiero generar este conocimiento de lo que China está haciendo en el mundo.
So that is why I told the legislators also, don't say I did not warn you.
Y entonces ahorita les dije a los legisladores, yo les estoy advirtiendo.
If you don't face the challenge of China now, the world will be in a much more difficult place in future.
Si no enfrentamos las amenazas chinas ahora, el mundo va a ser muy difícil en el futuro.
When you are here,
that I've already answered. I've already spoke about this.
Sí,
I've already answered. Yeah.
Sí, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias.
Okay. Thank you.
Gracias.